put the oil in a pot, let it get hot.
Start with the
Frying some whole cumin seed. About 1.5 teaspoon, let's say.
1 spoon.
1 spoon.
And not too.
Some dried chilies.
That's for the smell.
Okay.
Aroma.
Okay.
Okay. And then done. Just put your.
Once the aroma comes out, add potatoes. A teaspoon of turmeric powder.
Yeah.
And
some crushed chilies.
Okay.
About a teaspoon. Put the cauliflower.
We add gobis or cauliflower. How much?
It's just one cauliflower.
One whole cauliflower.
Yeah.
And how much we use the potatoes?
We just use for a little bit. Just for the, I mean, 4 or 5, I think, potatoes.
4 or 5 are small
Potatoes, yeah. Cauliflower is considered to be really heavy on the stomach.
Okay.
So we need to put some. Now we're putting
2 tomatoes.
2 tomatoes. And don't forget the salt. Okay.
Salt. Okay.
About
As much as needed, basically. Fresh ginger.
ginger. Because ginger is supposed to be good for the stomach.
Okay.
It helps digestion because gobi is considered to be heavy on for the digestion.
So this will help
This will help.
digest.
Yeah. So like a julienne cut. And it will give a nice taste to it as well. Aroma.
Okay.
Just let it first
boil and then we let it
on the low
simmer.
heat.
That's it. We don't add any water?
No. I don't add water.
Okay.
It will leave a lot of water itself.
Okay, then we let it to boil
And then about
reduce
at
the
least half an
heat.
hour.
Then half an hour to simmer, that's it.
And then fry it again.
Okay. This is boiling and see the water has been released.
From
so
the
do
tomatoes?
not add water because the juice from tomatoes and some from cauliflowers will come out. So we reduce the heat and we let it simmer for half an hour.
And the size has gone down as well.
Yeah, because the water is coming out. So this is after half an hour, all the juice almost evaporated and the gobi or cauliflower is very, very soft now.
It's all done, and then we can just add a little bit of green chili.
Okay, if you like, you can add a bit of fresh green chilies, but if you don't like, you can omit.
You don't eat green
This
chili,
is only for the,
for the smell of it.
smell. You don't need to eat that, so it looks nice if you add.
Just because again it's the
You
yellow
have
color.
to increase the heat
And then turn it off.
and then turn it off.
It's done.
It's done, guys.
And well, before we serve it, we'll just serve it with a little bit of coriander sprinkled on top.